Hi guys, how are you all doing? You're welcome back to Valmich Fits. So guys, have you seen this very bubble outfit that you can style in different ways? You can style it as a bubble top, you can style it as a three-quarter bubble gown, and even a long bubble gown. So if you're wondering on how to go about to make this very beautiful outfit, you don't have to worry because I have a very detailed tutorial from measuring to cutting and even to sewing on my sewing machine. Guys, what I'm trying to say here is that I have a very detailed tutorial from start to finish and it is very beginners friendly. So this bubble top is with a collar neckline, you can see that, and a placket on the center front with puff sleeves. So if you're interested in learning how to make this very beautiful bubble outfit and you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please hit on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified as soon as I post this interesting tutorial. And trust me, this tutorial is with detailed explanations because when I was making this video, I had my beginners in mind so they will be able to make this with ease. So guys, at this point of this tutorial, I was almost done here and I was explaining on how to fix your press button on your bubble top, and that is because I didn't want to miss out on any details. So guys, if you would love to learn how to make this, then let me know in the comment section while I leave you to see how this beautiful outfit looks like in a long gown. For now, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.